everyone, it's Joyce from Pwuffy and welcome back to my channel. So today I have two boxes to open and one of them contains some really interesting things. I started to outsource my stickers instead of hand making them using my Cricut. And the first three sticker designs have arrived with this box. It also contains some keychains for my upcoming Pwuffy Club reward months, but we won't get into that just yet. I'm really excited to see how the stickers look like in person. I got some pictures from a manufacturer, but those were kind of ugly, so I hope the colors on the stickers look a lot better, and they're actually more expensive to produce compared to hand making them. So they are definitely supposed to be higher quality, vinyl, waterproof, all of that. So before we get started, I want to show you my fairy lights. They're very cute. Look. Oh, I could put them right there. Okay. I don't know if you guys saw them. Maybe they were in frame, but whatever. So let's get started with opening the boxes. So this is the box of keychains and stickers. Let's go ahead and open it. I will also have to close this up and open it again for my TikTok. That's for another time. You guys don't need to worry about that. Okay, I'm so excited. Alright, so these are the stickers and the rest is it's like right on top are the keychains. So let's start off with the stickers first. The first design is the August Pwuffy Club rewards. Oh my god! It is a cherry blossom mochi whale and it is glossy. Oh my god, the quality, my printer and my Cricut could never. The sticker is so thick. I'm definitely happy with this quality. Let's open the next design. Well, the next two. This one is for my current ongoing Pwuffy Club month, September. And it's a bunny with a giant blue rose in the background. And also some flowers and a fern on the front. This is how it looks like. Look at that gloss. Stickers are definitely worth the price. The biggest reason why I started outsourcing my stickers is because they took way too long to make so many of these by hand, especially because my printer sometimes has problems and my Cricut sometimes miscuts, so that's a lot of product wasted. But these are definitely more expensive to produce, but they're higher quality, so you know, it's reflected in the price. And the last one, I don't know if I want to show you guys the theme yet. Okay, but here's a sneak peek from far away. I'm sure you can see it because my camera is small, but I'm sure you can see the design. But this is the design. I really like it. It's really cute. I like to switch between like cute designs and like pretty plus cute designs. So, or sometimes, okay, most times it's a combination of both. I love pretty and cute things. But those are the stickers. Super excited to start setting them out. For those of you guys already in the Pwuffy Club, let me know what you guys think about the quality. They're actually waterproof this time. Actually, don't quote me on that because sometimes they say like water resistant and you still can't put it in the dishwasher. Actually, I'll just ask my manufacturer. I'll let you guys know if these are dishwasher safe. But they're definitely waterproof because, I mean, if you want me to test it out, like, do you guys see the water droplets on top? Do you see how hydrophobic this is? See, water drop? The water drop, very hydrophobic. Oh, it ran down my finger. But, oh, here it is, look. There's a droplet of water, I'm rubbing it around. Nothing is coming off. Waterproof. I would bet that these are dishwasher safe because nothing even close is coming off. It just, there's like a plastic film on top or something, but I'll ask my manufacturer just to double check. Don't put these on your cups that you put in the dishwasher yet. I will let you know first. You know what? I'm keeping this for myself because I put water on it, even though it's waterproof. Next up, we have the keychains. We have two designs. They are the same as the stickers, but in keychain form. And I started getting these like colorful keychain attachments on the top. They're usually, in the beginning they were usually like gold star, gold heart, but now they're colorful and they match the color of the keychain. So this is the flower bunny, the one for the current month that's ongoing that you can still join if you haven't. And you know, as always, make sure to take the plastic film off. I received some emails about like, oh, there's scratches on my keychain, but you know, just take off the plastic film on each side. There should be one on both sides. The scratches will magically disappear. And this one is a different type of keychain attachment. It's still gold, but it's this kind. And I never had this before. I think as I design more keychains, I'm gonna play around with the keychain attachments, just because like I want to try every single one. Like these are so cute, and I never had these before. Oh, it looks so cute. I'll put this to the side. Something else I wanted to unbox that's kind of Pwuffy related is this Amazon. I think it's called a dolly. You use it to move boxes. So if you guys can see behind me, I need to move 3 or 4 of these boxes twice a week. And that is very hard when you're living on the 3rd floor and you have to carry these down the hallway and you have to carry them out the building into your car. As a small woman, that is very hard for me. I get very sweaty in the process, and doing that twice a week is a nightmare. So what I got, so to try to combat this issue, I got myself one of these. You know how when you get older you start appreciating getting vacuums as gifts? I think this is like the business version of a vacuum. I'm very excited to see how this works, and I'm very excited to show you guys. So if I start acting like someone who gets excited when they get a vacuum, it's interesting to me. Okay, it's interesting to me. All right, so this is what it is, right? It folds up. This is how you know it folds up. It is nice and compact. So you start off putting this part out, then you take this is like the little handle, and that, oh, my hair, then you put it on the ground. You guys can't see. Okay, pretend this is the ground. Then you can press this button on the top, and then it makes it higher. And then, well, the wheels are supposed to come out. Give me 1 second. I don't know how to get the wheels to come out. Oh, one of them came out. Wait a minute. So it doesn't fold up? Okay, I think we're having an issue here. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, time to figure out this wheel situation. You know, it came with this. I really should have read this first. Ahem. Take the trunk. Push the dolly wheel into the mounting hole. Slightly wobble the wheel to disperse pressure when pushing down. Install the other 5 wheels in turn, and then the installation is complete. Okay. What the heck? I feel like the wheels aren't all the way in. You guys are probably not interested in watching me try to struggle with this. I'll work this out on my own, and I will demonstrate it on my Instagram story of how amazing this will be once I learn how to make it put boxes and roll it down the hallway. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in 2 weeks. Bye bye.